Open the printer chamber and remove the building plate with caution. Pay attention to hold it, avoiding pressure on the fixed screws. In case the model do not adhere, it is necessary to roughen the plate surface with a 80 grit sandpaper, placing it first horizontally and then vertically. Check with your fingertips the surface roughness and repeat the same steps till the surface is rough enough. Once finished, make sure the building plate is completely cleaned and place it back in the printer. Finally, perform a Z-axis calibration before the next printing process. After you have removed the building plate and the resin vat, make sure the Z-axis reach the top completely. If it has not, select Z-axis and set the number showed on the touch panel to 10 mm. Then, press the arrow to move up the Z-axis. Dry clean the axis using a paper towel. After finishing, fix the building plate and the resin vat back in place. Remove both, the building plate and the resin vat. Select Z-axis and then press the second icon. The Z-axis will move downwards. Lubricate the Z-axis every 20 or 30 mm while it is moving. Then, perform a calibration process by clicking on Z-axis and the second icon once again. Select LCD test and then, light up the entire LCD screen. Once a bright blue square appears on the screen, check if all light bulbs light up. The display has to be completely bright, without black spots, circles or other shapes. Select Blackened LCD screen. The LED has to turn on under the LCD display, but the LCD does not have to light up, since the test is successfully completed only if the UV light is completely blocked out. Select LCD grid, and a bright blue grid appears on the LCD. At this point, check if all grid lines displayed are visible and regular.